For negative interrogative sentence, we also use auxiliary verb, that is, do not, does not, and before any kind of plural subject, we use do. Then the correct form would be do they, do they not go to college every day? Every day. Do they not go to college every day? Or we can also write don't they. Don't they go to college every day? Now you can see that there are different forms of verbs. First, in the first sentence, base verb reads. In the second sentence, this is negative sentence, and after do not, does not, the verb is also present form. In the third sentence, we see that this is interrogative sentence, and interrogative sentence, before interrogative sentence we use do or does. And in the fourth sentence, the sentence is negative interrogative, and for negative interrogative sentence we also use do or does, and we can write not after subject or before subject, don't they or do they not. Now I think you have written these sentences. Written these sentences, and I have already told you that there are some rules for right form of verbs, and in these sentences, if we look at these sentences, at the end of the sentence, daily, in the first sentence there is daily, in the second sentence there is regularly, in the third sentence there is every day. And now let's know the rule. If there is daily, regularly, every day, usually, often, occasionally, we shall use present indefinite tense. You can write the adverbs, that is daily, every day, regularly, often, usually, usually, sometimes, usually, sometimes, occasionally, occasionally. If there is daily, everyday, regularly, often, usually, sometimes, occasionally in any sentence, then we use present indefinite tense. Present indefinite tense. There is another rule for present indefinite tense. if the sentence indicates universal truth or habitual fact, then the sentence will be in present indefinite tense. I am citing an example. The sun to rise in the east. The sun to rise in the east. This sentence indicates universal truth. And for universal truth, we use present indefinite tense. Now the right form would be the sun. To would be omitted. Rise. Subject is third person singular, so base verb will take S. The sun rises in the east. Universal truth. Universal truth, that is Chirantan Shatto. For universal truth, we use present indefinite tense. And habitual fact, that is, if the sentence indicates any habit of any person, then we use present indefinite tense. Now, I am writing a sentence of habitual fact. Rana to walk in the morning. Rana to walk in the morning. Or there are other sentences of habitual facts. We can also say Rana exercises regularly. So the sentence is indicating habitual fact. And here Rana is third person singular, so right form would be Rana walks. Rana walks. Third person singular, Rana is third person singular. So verb will take S. Walks in the morning. Write down the sentence. I think you have written, and in this way you will try to learn the rules of right form of verbs. And if you want to learn right form of verbs, then you have to learn the rules. Without learning rules, you can't do any kind of right form of verbs. And today our time is almost over, and I think that you will study at home, you will read or you will learn the rules of right form of verbs and try to do right form of verbs. Thank you all.